Judith is not here to film. Not that she's not feeling well or anything like that. She just didn't feel like filming today. She got what'd you get? I'm like, I have Boxycharm. She has Birchbox and Ipsy, I think, to film tomorrow. So I have Boxycharm though, which I got yesterday, but I didn't want to wait any longer, so I am filming it today. And I'll be doing a back-to-back video because I got another box to be unboxing as well. So this is Boxycharm. And I think it's around like $26 a month, so I could actually compare the two boxes because they're around the same price. But it comes with a little card here, and you can see that. And then first thing I'm pulling out is Violet Voss Olive You Forever eyeshadow palette. I will see if I can open that without damaging it too badly. That way we can possibly put it in a giveaway if we don't want it. I might not be able to. I'm like, this is why I need her here. No. I'm guessing it's going to be greens or something because, let's see. Okay, yeah, so hopefully the sheet doesn't fall off, but definitely very, very pretty colors. And we are going to be doing a giveaway coming up soon so that whoever our winner is can have it by Valentine's Day. So I'm guessing sometime in the next like week or so we'll be doing our giveaway video, just so you guys know. Okay, and the next thing I will be pulling out is Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer with Moringa and Papaya. I like Pharmacy's products a lot, so that's good. These items definitely feel big, like full size, so that's nice. And then I have Avance Biphase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water. If I need to shake it or not. So there's that. Also a nice size. But again, they did used to be cheaper, and they're a little bit more now. But and then is this like, oh, I don't know. It says Dragon Duo eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, I think. I feel like it says like Queen on the bottom, but I think it just says, I think it's just a dragon and a veen. I think it's, anyway, looks like that. Which I do like liquid eyeliners. I used to wear the opposite, but now I wear liquid eyeliners. But of course, if I don't need it, I do have a lot of products, then I'll put it in a giveaway. And then the last thing is Apple Plus Balm Glow Lip Mask by Seraphine Botanicals. Hopefully I'm getting all these names correctly. So it's a very short video as always. I love the products that it came with though. Good job, Boxycharm. And like I said, we'll be doing a giveaway video soon, but otherwise I'm doing back-to-back videos. So we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.